just wanted to share with you that what I have done here is I have used masking tape to over here, and I've written the letters. And here you can see these are the Christmas lights I have made with construction paper, and put in the double tape over here. And I'm going to ask him to peel this off, and I'm going to stick it on the letter. Come on. So we're going to start this now. Jody, come here. Come here. As you can see, Jordan, he is doing color match with the dot stickers. So I have kept orange, blue and yellow colors, the colors of the lights that I have. So first I made him match the alphabets, and after he did that, I am now doing kind of a color sort activity or color match activity, you can see. So here he has to peel off the sticker, dot sticker, and then he has to stick it over there on the letters, on the colors. So most probably he's sticking in all the colors. You can see first he targeted the orange. He's putting all the oranges in all the orange letters that is there. Okay, see, it is M.